going
It
to
hasn't
Hawaii.
sunk in. It hasn't sunk in.
Let's see the view. Wow. We're in our hotel and it's actually really nice. I'm gonna do a quick tour. We have a nice little kitchen here, a sofa, some fish, bed, another bed, TV. It's perfect. Oh my god.
Pineapple on pizza, bro.
That looks so
The
good.
only place is accepted.
Wow. She's FaceTiming her friend, but she got pizza too.
This is so
Look
good.
at it.
They're so good.
We're just honestly so dead today. We're 5 hours ahead, so it's like midnight, but it's actually only 7, so see you tomorrow. Oh my god.
Morning.
We woke up early because fell asleep
Like 9
early.
o'clock.
What time is it?
It is 6:05.
That's actually crazy, but it feels like 11 our time.
Yeah, it is.
So we're actually going to coffee. Look at how cute this is. I know, it's really, really close. We're definitely in like the tourist area, like resort area right now, but later today we're gonna go
Swim with dolphins.
With
And
dolphins.
turtles and fish.
casually.
Yeah, swim with dolphins, no biggie.
So I got my strawberry milk tea coconut milk. It's like a Hawaiian pink drink. And look at that almond croissant. We made it to the beach. Look at all the surfers. I'm vibing, bro.
History of over 90 years, and here we are today.
Purr.
What can we say?
What can we say? It's so cute. Matthew's in line to get Cheesecake Factory, but it's okay because it totally made me hold a parrot, and I did not want to, so I left him to go take pictures.
Had to get the pic.
At the Cheesecake Factory. Surprise, surprise.
So good. It's so good. It's gonna be.
We'll go other places, guys. Don't worry.
We'll try real Hawaiian food. Don't worry.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, so basically in all these clips, my audio was on my phone because I forgot my camera, so you can barely hear us. So here I am, but we just show our fits. We're so cute. And we're going on a hike to Diamond Head, and there's a mongoose, and insert montage. Okay, bye.
Guys, it's actually my birthday now. Last night was a little chaotic because we walked around for like 2 hours and there was like no place to eat, so I didn't vlog that. We're just walking. We're gonna go get food. Coconut vanilla pancakes, French toast, sweet bread. That's the traditional Hawaiian food we're gonna try. Belgian strawberry vanilla waffle. Oh my. The rating on the Spam.
I never thought I'd say this. 10 out of 10. Perfection.
It's actually really good.
This gravy is incredible. The corned beef hash.
To try Spam. Gotta prepare.
Good.
We're at the mall. We got their Lululemon mask.
Yes.
Look how nice this mall is. Guys, still my birthday.
Show off the fit. You should fit up.
Nah, okay. We don't have much time. Because the battery's
down.
Princess Polly. Princess Polly.
Full turn, full turn. Gorge, beautiful.
Good night. Happy birthday to me. The day has come. We're about to go parasailing.
Excited?
Very excited. A little nervous. Never gone before. He's gonna be an observer. Sitting this one out.
Well, someone used to take the aesthetic videos for the aesthetic montage we're making, and thought I'd step up to the plate, take one for the team.
We're on the boat. I'm a little scared. Look, they're already going.
You got this. There's literally a plane in like the distance over there, and they're above the plane. Literally insane. And look what you've done. Dunk 'em! Dunk 'em! She said yes! For the fans! She has millions of fans, y'all! For the fans! For the fans! Fans are gonna love this. Is it YouTube or TikTok? It's everything, bro. How was it? Literally everyone.
Instead of silence, considered craving. I'm the lie that was torn, missing teeth out of favor. Nickel beach, it was all gathering by the sundown. And I woke Kelly from the half-rest stop. 5 whole hours and then I woke